Hey everyone, I'll be showing you Iconic London's Brow Silk and the amazing results it gives your brows. The Brow Silk is the perfect product for fluffy feathered brows. It conditions, shapes and holds your brow hairs in place. The Brow Silk can be used dry on its own or wet with the Iconic London's Prep Set and Glow. It can be used before you fill in your brows or after you fill in your brows. I'm going to use the Prep Set and Glow in Original. I'm flicking the brush upwards and outwards for that fuller feathered brow look. The Brow Silk is very easy to use. It creates a film over the brows to keep them in place, but it doesn't leave them feeling crunchy or sticky. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love Brow Silk as much as I do.